Good morning everyone. Take two. Nay, good morning everyone. Nay, kaway. Kaway, kaway. Good morning. Good morning. Nay. Good morning. Dito na po siya nag-breakfast. Kaya po ang kanyang breakfast empty. Empty na. Ibig sabihin, busog na si mother. While under the sun. Papainit kasi medyo tinanghali ng gising si mother kaya ngayon lang. Hinabol namin yung araw kaya nagsabay ng araw at ang kanyang breakfast. Ayan si mother.
Kaninong motor ito?
Kay Ian yan, kay Ian anak na. Ito yung e-bike ko na nasisira-sira na. Everyday dala-dala ko. Okay, bye everyone. Have a nice day.